In this corner, weighing in at a $600 million valuation, Clubhouse. And in this corner, weighing in at having access to an impressive 330 million monthly users, Twitter Spaces.
Both have some amazing features to take your business to the next level, but really though, who's the best? Before we get to the competitors, we have to understand the ring, or in this case, the space. Social audio chat room spaces are hot right now. I know when you think of chat rooms, you probably think of, bro, get off the phone, I'm trying to use the internet. Same concept, different technology. Audio chat rooms are a lot like the chat rooms of yesteryear, except you can have a lot more people in the room and it's audio only. Think of social audio as a podcast you can join. It's a place where people don't just listen to their favorite host, they can interact with them and turn it into a two-way conversation. With Facebook and Spotify both entering the space as well, just like Snapchat's introduction of stories, social audio is a feature that is going to become more popular than the platform that first introduced it. This trend is on fire right now because of our burning love for another audio platform, podcasts. Clubhouse has been dominating this space since it came out in 2020. Tell them, Tori.
In just a few weeks, Clubhouse has jumped from 600,000 to 8 million active members, gained a $100 million valuation, and hosted some of the world's top thought leaders from Gary Vee to Oprah.
Correction, Tori, that's Miss Queen, Oprah Winfrey. I love you, Oprah. So I've been throwing a lot of information at you, but this is the biggest that you need to know. Clubhouse was an innovator. Clubhouse was the best.
Clubhouse was on its way, but I think they're in a bit of trouble. I'm gonna be honest. I have been loving Twitter Spaces.
Twitter unveiled its newest addition to the social audio space battle, and people are loving it. While it started off hot, Clubhouse was only downloaded about 900,000 times in April, down from February's peak of 9.6 million. I don't know if you knew this or not, but there's a bit of a difference between thousands of downloads and millions of downloads. As marketers gain access to Twitter Spaces, they're starting to realize that it offers opportunities for your brand that Clubhouse just doesn't have yet. Number one, Twitter has amazing reach. For all my marketers out there, Clubhouse pulled in a lot of users by touting real conversation rather than brand information. Because of this push for authenticity, sometimes Clubhouse users have even been a bit hostile towards brands directly marketing on the site. Marketers may need to recognize that at this time, Clubhouse isn't the friendliest place to push a message on behalf of their brands. Twitter's audience of 330 million active users, on the other hand, are already used to seeing content from brands, such as ads and marketing videos all over their feeds. Twitter Spaces also carries a chance of virality. Virality, the tendency of an image, video, or piece of information to be circulated rapidly and widely from one internet user to the other. The quality or fact of being viral. Imagine the possibility of connecting an audio space feature to a tweet. Now, if your brand creates a tweet that gets a ton of attention or goes viral, you can now turn that viral tweet into a massive conversation or promotion. By the way, anyone who joins that conversation can instantly follow you. On Twitter, it's the conversations people are having on the platform that make it what it is. And as it turns out, it's those same conversations that make Twitter such a powerful tool for brands. Brand conversation on social media drives key, measurable results. Research has shown that at the high range, just a 10% rise in conversation has led to a 3% increase in sales volume. So if you want exclusive VIP guests who can give your brand a major boom, then Clubhouse is for you. But if you want that reach, go with a brand that already has a significant following that you can just tap right into. No matter which side of the battle you stand on, know that you can use the social audio space to gain audience feedback, host discussions on trending topics in your industry, and interact with followers in real time. Any platform, tactic, or tool that helps marketers break down barriers between brands and audiences while also touching on the power of the human voice is worthy of your attention. As always, that's the info. Do with it what you will. If you like what you saw and you want to hear more, subscribe and hit the bell to hear more. Until next time, bye-bye. I love you, Oprah. Trying to get this right. You know how hard it is to say I love you, Oprah? Like, real, like, I'm trying to express this love out here. You know? I love you, Oprah.